Dear teachers, in this video demo, we are going to learn how to download the basic elements for creating multimedia content. The pictures, and the backgrounds, and audio files, and images, and elegant text. So for that, we are going to see the website called Pixabay. So open a browser, any one of your laptop or computer or even in your mobile, and type pixabay.com. So you can see the website of Pixabay. Here you can download free images, that is royalty free images. You can use it, you can modify the images, and you can redistribute to others. So you need not give any subscription or amount to this website owners. Suppose if you are not able to go to this website, either you can use the Google search. Here you can type Pixabay. Already you are familiar with searching images by using that Google Images. So here you can see 1.7 million images you can use it. So if you click this, you can able to see here. For example, I need images for internet related work, so I put internet. So I can download the images connecting with the keyword called internet. So now you can see lot of images. So if you want to download any one of the images, you can click the particular image. Suppose if I need an image called this one, I can click on the particular image, and now you can see the enlarged version of the particular image. And in the right hand side, you can see the donor of the image and how many images he has donated to the particular website Pixabay. And here you can see the free download button. If you click the button, a dialog box will appear. In that you can see the different resolution or the quality of the particular image. If you need less size file, you can prefer the low quality. High quality means that file size will be more. So I am selecting the moderate one, that this resolution occupies 823 KB. So I click download. So you can see the download box. Here I have to ensure I am not a robot. So for that I have to give an captcha. Once you put the tick mark here, you can able to download. Now I can download. The particular computer image will be stored in my local computer in the download folder. I can see the folder, open the folder. Now the image is downloaded. Now you can see the images in my file. So like that I can search any type of images by using the Pixabay. If I need images for flowers or fruits, I can use fruits or flowers. You can see a variety high quality pictures are available. So from that I can download any one of the picture. So I will select this one. You can download the file by using this download button. So Pixabay is a website you can download high quality images without subscribe it. In this website you can download not only images, you can download vector graphics or illustration. For example, I need vector graphics. I can use fruit and vector graphics I select. So I can able to see the art graphic or vector graphic images. So I can download and I can use these files in my e-content. For example, I can download. It is not the photos. It is created by vector graphics or art. The same procedure you have to follow. Now in this way you can download any number of images from this site called Pixabay, and the next website is called CC Search, that means Creative Commons. So you can see the website CC Search Creative Commons. In this website you can download as like Pixabay, but the advantage is there are filters which will help you to search. For example, I am giving the same kind of fruits here. In the left hand side you can see lot of filters available. For example, if you want only JPG image, you can select the image type. You can see photograph, illustration and digital artwork. I need photographs. And file type, I can select only JPG I need. I will select only JPG. So the image size also you can specify. Only I need large files, not small files, or medium files means medium files. I need medium files means it will filter the image according to your selection, and after that it will give the result. So from that the search will be easy for you, and you can take the appropriate image files by using these filters. So this is the advantage of CC Search. By using these two websites you can download any number of pictures, images for making your multimedia e-content. The third website we are going to see Slide Model. So here we have to create an account for downloading the images and pictures. So it is free. So you can create by giving your email, or the Gmail account can be used for creating one account here. So already I have created, that's why I am using login. So after creating you can use the login button and you can give the login credentials. Now you can see lot of templates, design templates are available for creating our PowerPoint presentation. Now you can use this one, or you can go to the free websites. Here I can see Get Started Now. Now you can see the lot of free PowerPoint templates. From that I can select any one. If you are not satisfied with one, go to the next page. I select the fourth page. Now you can see these are the free designs available. For example, I need this design means I can use this selection, and this particular template contains 11 background, so I can download this one. So automatically it will save in my computer. If you need another, I can select the next slides. For example, I can see the other slides also. Like this. If you need another design to download, I can go to the next page. For example, page number 7. You can search it, and according to your need you can download any number of templates. If you want to download this one, you can select this one. So it is roadmap concept, so you can put the year wise, so I can download. So this particular template contains how many slides we can see. I can download this one, so automatically it will download. So slide model is a website. You can download any number of PowerPoint templates which can be used for creating a presentation e-content. And the fourth one, we are going to use downloading sounds for our e-content. So for that we are using Bensound. So Bensound is a website we can download royalty free music. So now you can see the website bensound.com. So once you enter into the website, you can see the category of music. For example, before downloading you can hear the music. Once it is okay, you can start download. Now you can see the variety of musics that here that pages are there. Suppose if I need that next page, I can go to the second one or next page. Now you can see, so the buddy music or here better day music is there. So if you want to hear the music, please you can press the button play. Now you can hear the sound. Once it is okay, you can stop and you can start download. So it won't ask any registration process, so it is free license with attribution. So you can start download. Automatically the particular sound, the particular music will be downloaded into your computer. So this music can be used for your e-content creation. So now we have seen 4 websites for downloading the basic elements for creating multimedia e-content. The first one is Pixabay, the second one is Common Creative CC Search, and the third one is Slide Model, and the fourth one is Bensound. Thank you.